Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Behind the Boot.
We hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We have two shows today in
Niagara Falls.
Check it out.
Today it's a little misty over the falls.
It's quite cold,
Very nice.
but it's beautiful in the winter too.
Lily and Buddy also really love their first trip to the falls.
Leave a comment if you've ever been to Niagara Falls. You guys having fun?
Oh yeah, loving the falls.
All right, guys. We have show number 2 coming up.
So we gotta go back.
Gotta go.
Change. Okay, goodbye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys.
Bye. Hey everyone, welcome to Behind the Boot. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We just landed in Winnipeg.
Winnipeg!
And now we are at the Winnipeg X.
Yeah, the Red River X. Here we are.
Look who we found.
Check it out. Bandaloni! Yeah!
Alright! We're behind the boot, we're behind the boot. We're rocking with the lashes boots.
Yeah!
We're behind the boot, we're behind the boot. We're rocking with the lashes boots. Come on now! Woo! And rock with us. We're gonna rock this town. Lashes boots.
Yeah!
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Winnipeg, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah! Bye!